It's 11 p.m. I'm still in my work clothes, binge eating an entire box of cereal. And while I'm binge eating it, I'm watching a video on how to start a business, make more money, and quit your job. And as I'm watching it, I just feel overwhelmed. And really, I feel defeated. I don't want to finish the video. I just turn off my phone and put up the food and go to bed so that I can be well rested enough for another draining shift at Walmart. And during that period, I couldn't understand why I was staying stuck in the planning and thinking phase. Why I had these goals and these dreams and this ambition that I wasn't working on. Like, that made me feel so guilty. But now looking back, I can see my job at Walmart was such a big stressor on me. And not only that, but I had other things pulling me down that I was really in survival mode. Trying to get my way out of this, trying to survive another week, having to be at this job that I don't like. Oh no, a mosquito. Hold on. I'm back. Yeah, that mosquito was big. I mean, we was going toe to toe. But like I was saying, the job was crappy and I hated every second of it. And I hated knowing that I would have to go back every single week. Golly. My mental health was trash. My health was trash. Like, everything was downhill. And so, while I had all these, dreams, I couldn't do anything with it because I was in survival mode. How can you create when you're in survival mode? So I'm guessing some people can do it, but I couldn't. And if you're watching this video and you're resonating with this, chances are you can't either. And so I'm going to give you some advice that I wish I had had so I could have made moves a lot faster. And this isn't going to be easy. Nothing is easy. But if you are serious about changing your life and you're going to do whatever it takes, then this is some advice you need to hear. And it's this. As an ambitious person with dreams and goals you want to achieve, you have to get out of survival mode. Don't worry about chasing your dreams yet. Take care of what you need that will allow you to have the mind and the energy, the freedom to invest into your dreams. I don't know if you know about the Maslow's hierarchy. Basically, it's just hierarchy of needs, basically. And at the very bottom, I think it's shelter, food, the very necessities of living. And then above it, it's like money, financial needs, all that stuff. You have to take care of what's at the bottom so that you can rise up and have the space, the mental space to invest in other things. You have to take care of the things stressing you out and pulling you from focusing on your main mission first. And until you do that, you're going to continue thinking about what you want to achieve, planning for, watching videos, researching, and then not making any moves. It's because you can't. Creating in survival mode, that's really have survival mode and creative mode. There's a separation. In creative mode, you don't feel like you have to fight for your survival. In survival mode, that's all you focused on. If you had to fight for your survival, would you really care to sit down and read a book? Or would you just want to hide somewhere and escape from what's hunting you down? The latter. So what this means is you need to recognize what is it that's keeping you in survival mode. And what do you need to do to get out of it? And then make that your purpose. Make it it doesn't have to be your purpose. You make it your mission right now, your life mission right now, to get out of survival mode. And that's what I did. Like, literally, I knew, first of all, I picked working at Walmart for a reason. And I felt like that reason had come to an end. I felt like I got what I needed. So I knew I needed to get out. So I spent a year looking for work. And I live in a very small town, so it's not easy finding work. spent a year looking. I spent a year staying at Walmart, not being happy, struggling, barely making any progress on my goals. But when I finally found my escape latch and I found a new opportunity, I took it immediately. I didn't even give Walmart a look back. I quit on the spot, took a new job, and then that led me to getting a better job with more freedom. And I left that job to get another job with more freedom, and left that job to get another job with more freedom. I now have a remote job that's really slight work, easy, that allows me to go out and go for more walks and have time to read and work out while I'm on the clock. Like, that's how chill it is. I am in such a creative mode right now. Like, I feel like everything is lined up well. I'm moving out. I'm getting paid a much better rate. Things are just lining up, and I'm just going through life now, no worries in the world. And of course, there are some worries. I mean, I would love to not have any and just be enlightened and not just be, but that's just not the case. Regardless, I'm able to do what I want now and have more time and energy for that, because I was able to take care of what needed to get taken care of to get me out of survival mode, so then I could finally chase my dreams and create it. And the same thing will apply to you. So figure out what that thing is that's keeping you in survival mode, and then ask yourself, what are the steps you need to take to rectify that? And if you just don't know what to do, if you don't know how to get started in any of that stuff, don't worry, I can help you along the way. I've got a starter kit in the first link in my description. It's called the Get Your Life Together Starter Kit, and it's just going to help you get more structured so that you can figure out what needs to get done, and then you'll know the system for actually getting it done, which all comes down to getting your life together first. But you don't need it if you don't want it. Don't worry about it. It's just there. I want you to know that it's there. Regardless, right now, from this moment on, your mission that I'm giving you is to take care of the thing that's keeping you in survival mode, and understand that it might not be as simple as, as simple as getting some more money in your bank account. It could be something big that you gotta do that's gonna take time. Well, think about this. If you don't take care of it, if you don't take that time to get yourself out of survival mode, you're never gonna create anything. You're gonna continue feeling stressed. Your mental health is going to plummet, and you're not going to have the energy to do what it takes to achieve greatness. So take that time. And once you get out of survival mode, then you can put all of that energy into creating the life of your dreams. All right? You've got this. I'm going to see you for the next video.